Ever felt like a fish out of water when trying to navigate the world of graphic design? The struggle is real, especially when using a design tool like Canva for the first time. But fear not, because the journey to becoming a Canva pro starts now. Canva is a user-friendly tool that allows anyone to create professional-looking designs. From social media posts, presentations, to posters and more, Canva has got it covered. First, sign up for an account on Canva's website. It's as easy as entering an email address and creating a password. Alternatively, use a Google or Facebook account to sign up. Once inside, a dashboard will welcome you. This is the heart of Canva, where all the magic happens. Browse through the dashboard and get acquainted with its features. There's a Create a Design button on the left side, where the journey to creating begins. Click on Create a Design. A variety of templates will appear. Whether it's a social media post, a presentation, or a poster, there's a template for everything. Select a template that suits your needs. Once chosen, it will open up in a new window. This is the design page. On the left side, find a panel with different elements like text, backgrounds, and images. These elements can be dragged and dropped onto the canvas to create a design. Start by adding a background. Click on Backgrounds in the panel and choose one that fits the design. Drag it to the canvas, and it will automatically adjust to the size. Next, add some text. Click on Text in the panel, and a variety of text styles will appear. Choose one and drag it to the canvas. Double-click on the text box to edit the content. Change the font, size, color, and more from the toolbar above the canvas. Now it's time to add some images. Click on Elements and choose Photos. A plethora of images will appear. Find one that fits the design and drag it onto the canvas. Resize and position it as needed. Lastly, add some finishing touches. This could be a border, some shapes, or even some lines. Click on Elements again and choose what you need. Drag it onto the canvas and position it as needed. Once satisfied with the design, it's time to download it. Click on the Download button on the top right corner. Choose the file type and click on Download again. That's it. You've just created a design on Canva. To recap, start by signing up for an account. Once inside, click on Create a Design and choose a template. Add a background, some text, and images to the canvas. Lastly, add some finishing touches and download the design. With a bit of practice and creativity, anyone can become a Canva pro. Remember, the key to great design lies in exploring and experimenting. So, go ahead and start creating on Canva.